Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. The setup looks a little bit different today because I am recording a YouTube video from my Twitch streaming setup that I currently have. I'm working on a new one, but that'll be another video. So in today's video I want to talk about why I started Twitch streaming when I'm not a gamer. So what is Twitch? It's a platform where people go live and you can follow, subscribe, donate money. People commonly play video games and stream that, and then people come into the chat and show their support. Really, it's just like a huge platform that I did not have any experience with. I had a good friend who had been doing it for quite a while and she was, pretty successful on the website. I am very motivated by success. I wanted to give it a try. I've been doing it for a little while and I really like it. So I want to talk to you guys about why I think you should start Twitch streaming. Reason number one for why I started, I'm getting ahead of myself. How do I Twitch stream if I don't play video games? There is a category of Twitch called just chatting, and that is where people get online and they just chat. It's pretty cool. You don't have to just talk. There are other things people do like cooking, workouts, yoga, all kinds of different stuff on there. And they pretty much just do whatever that's not necessarily a video game. Okay. Number one reason for why I went to Twitch. It is a lot easier to get monetized on Twitch. Now, it's not really like YouTube where it's a little bit more of a passive income. People watch your videos and you get ad money. Not really the same. Once you hit affiliate status, that is when you can become what I would call monetized. It's, like I said, it's a little bit different. So really not too challenging overall, especially on just chatting, because people love to watch people talk. And if you can just keep a conversation going and kind of promote on your other social medias, trying to get 3 average viewers usually isn't too bad. Now I know it can be hard for people. I'm not saying that it's like completely perfectly easy, but I found it was easier to hit that on Twitch than it was on YouTube, because at the time of recording this, I'm still not monetized on YouTube, and I've been doing it for almost a year. Not as consistently as I should. Oh, shoot. No. Wow. We have a Roomba that I absolutely love, but the only time I can record videos is when my child is napping, and the Roomba is right outside the room he's sleeping in, and I forget that it turns on at 12:30, like right in the middle of his nap every day. So the second reason I started Twitch streaming is you can really build like a little community pretty quick, because you're getting to like live chat with people. So people come into your chat, you one-on-one sort of talk with them, and they come back the next time, and you almost form this little like relationship with this person that you previously did not know. And now I have people that come into my chat that I genuinely feel like I'm their friend. On Twitch, it's a little bit more personal. I really liked that a lot. Third reason I like streaming on Twitch. Initially, I actually didn't like this. You can kind of just go live and just start talking, like conscious stream of thought. And this intimidated me at first because you think if you say something stupid or like you say the wrong thing, it's live. Like there's no going back and taking it out. You also don't have to edit. So like you go live, you talk, you make your money, you do whatever, and then when you hit end stream, it's over. It's really nice. Whereas like I love making YouTube videos, and I mean that. I love editing, but sometimes it's nice to just not. Like this video, I'm gonna record it and then I'm gonna have to go through in my new Final Cut Pro, and I'm gonna have to line up the audio in the video and cut out all the pauses and the breaths, and it's gonna be a process. It's gonna take like a whole day to do this, and I like that, but it's just a different thing. So I feel like it's fun. Fourth reason you should stream on Twitch. If you're making YouTube videos, so this doesn't apply to necessarily everybody, but if you're making YouTube videos, you probably already have the setup for it. If you have something to film you and record your audio and a computer to edit on, you most likely can do it. As long as you're not playing any like super wild games, you really don't even need a really fast computer or anything. Me and my friend were able to stream from our phone the other day on Wi-Fi, and it was fine. Like, yeah, your quality might not be the best in the world, but if you have a good personality and you're just talking and being fun, I really don't think people are gonna care all that much. People say you can't stream on Wi-Fi. It's a lie. You definitely can. Pretty sure it's National Interrupt Amy when she's trying to record day, but it's fine. Reason number 5, I think you should start streaming on Twitch. I think that it can help grow your community and grow your presence on the internet, and that can drive more traffic back to your other social media sites. So if you're like me and you're just kind of trying to grow everywhere, I have definitely noticed an increase in followers on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all from Twitch. I created a command on Twitch that links to all of my social media accounts, like my link tree that has everything in it, and I have noticed an uptick in everything. So that's a super cool side effect of growing on one platform, is you get a little bit of that, like every person that follows you might come follow you on your other social media platforms too. So you get a little bit of growth everywhere. All in all, Twitch has been an awesome experience for me. I've met some really cool people and I've had some really fun experiences. Some of the better nights I've had recently have been on stream, and I can tell that it's growing everywhere because big YouTubers like Danny Gonzalez and Eddie Burback, Gus Johnson, they're all on Twitch. I know Twitch has its problems just like every website does, just like YouTube does. I really like it and I think you would too. I also like that on Twitch you don't have to plan out a video and make it about this one topic. Like my NCLEX video I recently made on Twitch, you can just talk about whatever you want. Wherever the conversation naturally flows. It's really just kind of like being on a podcast. It's really fun. Like people come in, they ask you different questions, they talk about different things, and where I started the night, whatever I started talking about, I'll be in a completely different spot by the end. So I really like that. I think it's fun, and of course you get the idiots. You just ban them and move on, and I wish I would have done it a little bit sooner because I could have been farther along on my trajectory by now. I'd love to see you guys on my Twitch stream if you guys are ever online and you guys use Twitch. I try to go live any night that I'm not working, so like 2 to 3 nights a week. I'm still small enough that I really read like my entire chat. I don't miss messages, so if you say something, I totally will respond. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to try to still put a lot of effort into my YouTube channel because ultimately this channel is my baby and I want nothing more than to get monetized on YouTube and just to continue to grow that community. Until then, come say hi on Twitch. That is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am obsessed with this mic. I love just getting real close to it and it's really fun. Highly recommend getting a mic with a boom arm. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you guys want me to talk about on Twitch, on YouTube, just whatever. Or if you just want to say, hey, what's up, because I love that kind of thing. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.